How to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer photos from one iPhone to another. So before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first method is by using AirDrop. Now that is gonna be one of the easiest way as both devices are iOS. So let's begin. First, you'll need to make sure that you have turned on your Bluetooth and your AirDrop is on. After you've done that, all you need to do is go to the photo that you want to share. Now tap on the share button on the bottom left. After you do that, if you scroll down for a bit, you will find AirDrop here. Tap on it, and now you will find a device here. Just select the device, make sure that the AirDrop is on another iPhone device too, and just share it. Now that is the first method. The other method is by just using your iCloud. So you can save all of your photos on your iCloud. You can back it up, and after you sign in your Apple ID on the other device, your photo should automatically sync. So that is the another way. The other way is by simply using a different cloud. You can use your Google Drive. You can create a folder there using you can create a folder there and upload your photos there, or you can simply use other iClouds, cloud too. You can use Mega. This is a really good one. You can use either of these and you can transfer photos from your iPhone to iPhone too. So yeah, that is basically all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.